Hey, wait a minute. Guess what I just saw on the internet right now? I was browsing and I saw the Techno Phantom Ultimate 2, which is a fold phone like no other. And take a look at this. While this is still a concept phone, I'm just beginning to wonder, what the? Unbelievable. For me, this is the future of folding phones. I mean, it's so full of utility. You can do a lot with it. You can tweak it. You can fold it the other way. You can turn it around. You can use it as a mini laptop. You can turn it around, switch it up. Wow. My reaction, please take my money. This is so great. I mean, this is exciting. This is unbelievable. I am not a Techno fan, you probably might have noticed that, but man, this one just blew my mind away and I'm like, hey guys, take my money on this. I don't know about you, but this is unbelievable. This is just superb. I think the only problem I have with this now, looking at it closely, I'm asking myself, how do we get a case to hold it to protect all the side and still use it at the same time? Well, I believe that Techno might probably have to come up with a case for that. But let me know what you think. Do you think that this concept phone will make it? If it makes it, is it the type of phone you like to use? Let me hear from you in the comment section because I'm so excited about this. Make sure you subscribe, follow to get up-to-date tech as they just come out. Till I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.